I am announcing to all na lahat ng sundalo ng MIMN, kung matagal pa ito at gusto ninyong sumali, makipagsapalaran sa Republika, I am offering them, kunin ko kayong sundalo.
We have been successfully a partner of the peace process in regard to the MNLF and the CPLA. And in that peace process was an integration mechanism of former fighters of the MNLF and the CPLA into the armed forces. If such a mechanism is employed for the benefit of the MILF once we are done with our talks, then so be it, because these are all welcome developments that we have been doing with the two previous talks that we have had with the MNLF and the CPLA. So hindi po ito bago. Ito po lang ay pag-i-encourage sa ating mga kapatid na nasa kabilang panig na kausap natin na makisanib puwersa na po sa buong pamahalaan at makiisa po sa buong taong bayan. And truth to tell, karamihan po ng mga na-integrate sa atin, na mga MNLF fighters nung araw, mga bayani po natin sila. Marami pong nagbuwis ng buhay para po ipagtanggol ang kanilang mga lugar at ang kanilang mga units at ang kanilang mga kasamahan. And I can name a few, Yung isa doon, yung isang karpintero na tumutulong sa Mamasapano, nagpapako ng bubong sa ibabaw, ini-snipe ng isang BIFF. Muslim po ito, kapwa Muslim po at napatay. Bayani po natin yan. At ang kanya pong hangarin sana ay makatulong doon sa kanyang mga kababayan doon sa lugar ng Mamasapano, pero winakasan ng kanyang buhay. And so many others in Jolo, in Basilan, in Tawi-Tawi, and other parts of Mindanao who were former MNLF fighters but who have shown their mettle as warriors and as true heroes of this country.
Also, I'd like to add to that, the offer of PRD came after Governor Miswari wrote offering support. So, he sets an example of rising above self-interest to close ranks against a brutal foreign enemy, the ISIS, which is both anti-Islam and anti-Filipino, and thirdly, anti-humanity. So we appreciate that. It all depends on between the AFP and MN to how to best operationalize the offer.